Ako muna ah. Bibidyo na. Last na, last na. Okay. So, yeah, santang. Okay ako rin. Lang ah. Isa pa. Okay. Thank you.
Hindi ba hapit? Sa forma. Takto ka lang.
Hindi, kumuha lang ako ng hiwalay.
Ay, sige.
Kumuha. Tinatry ko lang kung ano mga okay.
Hindi na. Okay na nga.
Kaya na? Mundo?
Kami ka, ikaw pa, nakasin sa akin. Dahil nakapagsigil dyan, hindi tayo nalabas.
Oh!
Nakapagsigil, nagkakaya mga...
Dito ba? Sige lang po, sige lang po.
Gulo to. Talatang video ah.
Correct. Correct. Ha? Minsan nag-error.
Ay, napablako lang.
Ah. I-video ako na rin. harap si baby. Smile. One more maybe. Wait lang ha. 1, 2, 3. Harap si baby. Smile. Galaw-galaw.
Nalikot ka rin yung gaganto. Nalikot ka sa saan.
Ah. Tapos big smile baby ha.
Hindi. Kasi ko lang yung quintas niya.
Sige po. Sige po. Sa program. Dito ka konti baby. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Kuya. Steady ka lang baby. Ka lang ha. Tingin sa balikat. Tingin sa balikat. Smile. Smile. Isa pa. Smile. Smile lang. 1, 2, 3. Tingin sa akin. Smile. One more. 1, 2, 3. Tingin sa kuya. Ay, laglag. Kirap ka. Dahan-dahan. Tingin kay kuya. Yan. Ganda. 1, 2, 3. Dahan-dahan. Tingin kay kuya. Ganda. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Lakad. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan lang. Yan. Okay na tayo.
mo nasa taas ko. Oo, kapag pa yung tawa mo ah. Patawa mo ah. Chin up ikaw. Pwede ko pa suklayin?
Oh, yes po.
Nasaan yun?
Kiss lang po ako.
Ay, sige na. Sige na. Go.
Kala mo dito po.
Iba tapos sa mata mo.
Ha?
Iba tapos sa mata mo.
Chin up ikaw.
Yes, nawalan ko sa result daw. Syanga-syanga ng taong first. Parang kailan siya.
Chin up lang.
Lagay tayo.
Dito lang
Chin up
po.
lang.
Chin up lang. Ah, okay.
Tapos open your eyes. Tingin ka dito. Ito lang. Look here. Yan. And then, look here.
Dito lang kayo. Mga bata ko ba to?
Dog. Alright, next animal naman tayo. Alright, next animal. This animal is also a four-legged animal. Alright, we can also see him or her in the zoo. Alright, this is what call this one? A herbivore animal.
Let us put ourselves in the most holy presence of the Lord. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Dear Lord, you are awesome. Thank you so much for the privilege of being in your presence. All the glory and honor to you in Jesus' name. Thank you for the birthday celebrant of today. We appreciate you for the parents and loved ones. Thank you for the gift of life, sound health, and Natalia Francesca. We ask for your blessings upon her, her family, her friends, and everyone here. We commit every act.
Family 47, boys and girls 70. Let's all clap first. Our hands to the parents of Natalia. Everybody clap your hands for Mommy Ron and Daddy Neil Jason.
Hiya, Bobby.
Hi, Dad.
You want to go for a ride?
Sure, Dad.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl.
And the reason why we are here is to celebrate the 7th birthday celebration with Natalia. Alright, everybody, let's give a big hand for Natalia Francesca!
Let's go, Bobby.
Everybody, come on, clap your hands for Natalia! Happy birthday! Or hindi sabay may kasamang palakpak, sabay-sabay! Happy birthday to you! Come on, everybody! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday! Alright, thank you so much, everybody! 4! Dali, look for the name of Nasa 8, 9, and toast! O, may nakita kayo. Tapos host and them, samahin mo na si Natalia sa harapan. Let's go! Dali, 1, 2, alright, one more. O, isa muna tayo ng A naman dyan! Hey! Yan, thank you so much.
This is my gift for you kasi, di ba, you like glamour. So, my gift for you is a gift of beauty. Wow! Beauty and glamour. I hope you enjoy it. Gusto ko lang para sa'yo, enjoy mo lang yung pagkabata mo and then your passion for being yourself, being uniquely yourself. Happy birthday!
Alright, everybody. Alright, thank you. Thank you so much, Ninang. You can stay over here.
Tawag kasi niya sa akin ni Nang Stacy, ng Billy. So, etong gift ni Ninang Daisy, gift of comfort. Kasi diba, whole day pagod ka, galing ka sa school. So, gusto ni Ninang, comfortable ka na matutulog. Diba, makapag-rest ka, para ready ka for the next day na ulit. Diba? Happy birthday! Sana mag-grow kang mabait, then laging susunod kay mami at kay daddy.
Alright, everybody, clap your hands for Ninang Day.
Yung gift ko for you, ano siya, parang, it's something that you can share with, I mean, it's something na pwede mong laruin with kasama si Billy and si Makoy. So, yun, para mag-bonding kayo. So, ang wish ko for you, Lia, sana lumaki kang mabait at masunuring bata at laging sundin sila mama at papa at sila lolo at lola. Happy birthday, we love you.
There. Once again, everybody, clap your hands for Ninang Linel. Thank you so much, Ninang Jonah.
Yung gift ko kay Lia, pili ko sasakalin ako ng mami mo. Kaya lang nung nag-message ako sa kanya kung anong gift mo, sabi mo, dog. So, okay lang yan para maging responsable agad. Kasi kakakainin ka na. So, yun lang. So,
Ayan, thank you so much. Guys, clap your hands for Ninang Jonah. Now, let's have Ninang Day.
Birthday. So, itong gift ko, pagpasensyahan mo na rin muna. To follow na yung iba sa Happy and Jolly House dahil lagi naman tayong nandun, di ba? So, ayun, ang wish ko sa'yo, maging sobrang masunurin ka na bata. Always love your parents. Ayan, do what you love. Huwag mong papansinin yung ibang tao kung may magbuli sa'yo. Sabihin mo lang maganda ako, excuse me lang naman, ha? Tapos, etong gift ko sa'yo,
naisip ko siya na ito yung ibigay sa'yo. It is something na maalala mo kapag magre-rest ka na. Kasi di ba mga Barbie, dapat lagi fresh. So, dapat magre-rest ka, yan, pag matutulog ka na. So, I have you, terno pajama. Actually, parang tong matchy-matchy with your best friends lahat. Meron kayo lahat nito ng parang glow-in-the-dark na, na pajama. So, ayan, sa bedtime mo, mag-enjoy ka pa din. Happy birthday!
Alright. And our last but not the least, let's have Tita MJ.
Hello, Lia. Nung tinanong ko yung mami mo anong regalo ko sa'yo, ang sagot niya, franchise ng McDo. Pero, hindi ko pa yun afford. Baka sa 18th birthday mo, afford ko na. So, kailangan ko na magtrabaho. Pero, so, inisip ko, ano ba yung pwedeng gift na madadala mo? Not just ngayong bata ka na face, pero hanggang pagdalaga mo. So, binigyan kita ng jewelry. Alam ko kakabutas lang din ng tenga mo. So, necklace and earrings jewelry na may butterfly pendant. Kasi, I want you to fly high and let other people see your beauty. So, yun na lang muna for now, Lia. Yung franchise ng McDo, pagtatrabahuan ko yan. Try natin, baka 18th birthday. So, happy birthday, Lia!
Alright, this is one more our 7th Fairy Godmother gift. Let's come over here. Leah, can you stand over in the middle? 2, 1. Okay, one more. Let's do some wacky pose. Wacky pose. Alright, there you go, everybody. Get out of your house for Leah. 7 Fairy Godmothers. Billy, McCoy, Peach, Ate Sam, and Ate Skull. Dapat kayo dito sa harapan. Come on, let's go, girls. Here. Alright, come on, girls. Okay. Let's go. Hey, where's Happy? Yeah. Just say happy birthday.
Sana bumalik ka hanggang lumaki.
Yon, sana bumait para lumaki. Oh, picture lang. Alright, sama ka dito sa Happy. Dito ka ulit, sama ka dito.
Happy birthday, Natalia.
There you go. Picture. Let's go. We have Billy. Alright, picture. Yeah, Natalia.
Birthday, Lia.
Alright, thank you. Give your picture. Picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And now let's have Ate Scarlett.
Birthday.
Alright, thank you, Scarlett. Picture, Scarlett, picture. Alright, again, Leah, can you please come over here in the middle? All the girls, come on. Lahat ng mga participants. Dito ka lang! Ang laki mo eh! Diyan ka lang. Alright, stay here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. Parang naiiyak kayo, Nina. Alright, picture mo, Nina. Nina, balik tayo doon na kasi...
Wish kayo ni Tita Asel ay maging mabuti, mapagmahal at magkaroon.
Tita Maricel. Alright, now this one, let's have Nina. Alright, now this one, let's have Tita Jen.
Hello! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa'yo, maging successful ka sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Kahit na ano yung piliin mo, either gymnastics, badminton, or whatever sports you want, you will like, or you will love, you will be successful in it. Ha? I'll always be here, okay? Happy birthday!
Yeah, alright. So, Mami Lynn.
Hi, Leah. First of all, I want to greet you a happy 7th birthday. I'm so happy and proud to be called you as a mommy, granddaughter. You have always been in my prayers and continue to pray for your good health and for you to always to be kind to everyone. Study harder, pray harder, and work harder towards to achieve your dreams. Happy birthday, Apo.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mami Lynn. Sit beside po with Leah. I will our photographer ready. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now let's have
Happy birthday to my beloved Apo, Leah. Wishing you to have all the things and make you smile and happy. May your life be filled with love and joy and always be safe and healthy. Blessed with happiness throughout the years. Wishing you the best for you in life. Just always believe in yourself as much as I believe in you. I will be here for you no matter what. And never forget that I love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. And now, for our last but not the least,
Anak, thank you sa pagpunta sa dibu ko. Joke lang. hindi ko papahabain ha. Sayang makeup. Alam mo na yun. Yung mga pinag-uusapan natin during bedtime, before bedtime, lagi mo tatandaan. And yung isa lang na request ko sa'yo, kaisa-isang request ko sa'yo, tapusin mo yung pag-aaral mo, no matter what. Okay? Love you. Bye-bye. Ay, bye-bye. Kinakabahan kasi ako. Sige.
parang naghangin po. Alright, now this time everybody. Alright, here we go. Here, Leah. Alright, Lieutenant, hold it. Yan, here. So, yan. Tapos, kung pala yung hands niya. Let's hold my hands. Everybody clap your hands for Conan and Leah! Alright, stop. Freeze. Leah. Alright, ganun din your son. Aliyah, lagi mo Aliyah lang. Yan. Hold my hands niya. Alright, just ganun. Alright. Everybody clap your hands for your son and Leah! Alright, DK. Help mo na yung pelo niya. Yan, the waist, here. Tapos yung hands niya, hold mo lang. O, don't be shy. Ganyan lang. Ready, go. Go, Ike. Let's go with that. Yan, ganyan. Yan, 1, 2. Yan, ganyan lang, ganyan lang. Okay, 1, 2. Everybody clap your hands for Ike. O, gag, dito. Hawak mo sa bewang. Hawak yung kamay. Dito lang. There we go. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, this way. Okay, and sway. Go, go, go. This way like this. Yeah, alright. Alright, okay na kuya. Thank you. Picture na tayo, picture. Alright, everybody. No, this one. Yeah. Alright, ready? Ganyan lang. Yeah, ganyan lang go, kuya. Tapos balik. Atras, balik. Yan. Alright, thank you so much, Mackenzie. Picture. Picture.
She doesn't need a crown. You can tell she's a princess. You can see it in her style. You can see it in her smile.
Son,
You can see it in
one more.
the way she wears her hair.
Ayan, thank you so much, Mama Dixon. This speaker na lang. Okay, one more. Wacky mo na tayo ng kids. Wacky boys, Wacky. Everybody have a hands for Leah. Come on, come on. 6, 7, 8, 9. Lead to on the go. Alright, now this time for my first game. This game is what I called hiding. Alright, ready, get set, and go! Let's run this up. Okay, okay. Hi, oh, here, ate.
2, 1.
Hi Lia, happy birthday. Alam ko hindi ako yung perfect father na inakala mo pero tanda mo I'm always trying. I love you. Nandito lang ako nasa likod mo parate to support you. Tuwing kailangan mo sabihin mo lang sa akin, andyan ako para sa'yo.
Fine, alright. Okay, next. Mukhang dala na yung buong bahay, ha? Love you! Go! Love you! Love you! Dali! Yes, there you go. We got umbrella over here. Parang pangatlo mo na to. Mukha lang umalikta ka ng price, ha? O, una-unahan, madalas sa akin na. I need this time, first four. Bring me your handsome daddy! Go! Bring your daddy! Come on, dali! I need four! Dali! One! I need four daddies! Come on, four daddies! I need four daddies! Come on, let's go, sarap! Four daddies! Daddy, kailangan ko daddy! Two more to go! Come on! Daddies, come on, sir! Let's go, daddies! Come on, let's go, daddies! Okay, last. Okay, dito ba? Pose. Alright. So, mag-isip ka ng pangalan ng kahit na sinong artista. Sa tingin mo, kamukha mo. Sinong artista ang kamukha ni Sir Jesse? Go, si! Brad Pitt. Sino, sir? Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt! Malapakay si Brad Pitt! Okay. Sir, kung kayo si Brad Pitt, si Iron Man, si Superman, or si Batman?
Si Batman.
Si Batman. Sir, sa harap naming lahat, gusto ko. 2, 3, pause! Yeah! Okay. Pause. Para mas maganda, sir, na ikaw si Batman. Natin. Ikaw si
Boy Abunda.
Boy Abunda! Sir! O ikaw si Boy Abunda, sinong superhero paborito mo? Spider-Man. 1, 2, 3, pause! Okay, mukhang malaking pangangailangan ni number 2, ha? Thank you, sir. Okay.
Ako, Alden Richard.
Alden Richard! Bumalik si Alden. Sir Alden, dalawang superhero na lang to. We got pause! Yan, galing. Alright. Sir, last. Brad Pitt. Oh, kata mo, sir. Brad Pitt. We got Boy Abunda. Alden Richard. Kayo, sir, sinong artista ang mukha mo? Ikaw si Empoy Marquez! Okay, sir Empoy. Sumabay ka. Ang galing! One more! Palapal naman! Thank you. Oh, ganyan lang. Thank you. Sir. Ano yun? Gento. Yan, Gento. Ay, you know. Gento. Gento. Maybe this time. Alam mo yun, oh. Ganyan-ganyan lang, sir. Tapos gaganon-ganon. Tapos, yan. Okay, ready? Hey! Ganon, sir! Yan! Tapos ganon! Hey! Kung sino yung panalo sa kailang apat, kailangan ko po ng tulong ng lahat. Okay, ang gagawin niyo lang po, may pinakamalakas na palakpakan, maraming kamag-anak. Walang pangalan kung sino kasama niya. Let's clap our hands for contestant number 1, Iron Man! Parang kalahati ng bisita, sir, kakilala niyo. Okay, now, last up contestant number 2. Oy! Kanina lumalaban ito, ha? It's Spider-Man! Pero hanggang labas ka, ha? Pati barkada mo nasa labas. Teka lang, ma'am, bakit po ang lakas ng sigaw nyo? Okay, thank you guys. Nulitig yung may alam ng sayaw ng Bini. Taas ang kamay. Gitna niya. Ito, yan. Ang gagawin natin, we're gonna do stop dance. Let's go, kids! Ready, boys? Come on! Let's go! Come on! Galing. Sino may birthday ngayon? Si? Ang galing. Very. Yan. Abante ka. Abante ka. Ay! Gumagalaw. Bawal gumalaw, baby, ha? And another little cry! Ayan, ay! Ay, sorry, gumagalaw. Sorry, you're music! Oh, ngayon, this time kids, kailangan. Yan. Thank you. Oh, kuya, salamat sa pagsali. Oh, gumalaw ka, out ka. Kailangan mo lang gagalaw, ha? Kailangan, mauubos to, sigurado. Oh, this time, pagkatapos ng music, tataas yung dalawang kamay. Tapos isang paa na lang ang nakataas, ha? Oh, ay, taas na mga kamay! Isang paa taas! Yan, okay ba si ate? Go, 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 go! Then, out ka na din, gumagala. Oy! Sorry, out! You're also out.
Royal, 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 royal,
How about you, Leah?
royal.
Alright! Oh, next.
Notebook at aklat.
Okay, wow. Good, good, good. Notebook at aklat. Notebook at aklat.
Notebook at aklat.
Notebook at aklat.
Notebook,
Notebook at aklat.
notebook at
Guys, dalawang praise yung mga panalunan nyo. Sabihin nyo, bandila. Sabihin nyo, bandilang iwinawagayway. Ate, alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Leah. Ba, are you ready? Oh, taas ang energy ng team ba? Sa summer, go! Sigaw! Siya ano sila? Line according sa size ng inyong bewa, go! Ay! Nauna sila, oh. 28, 29, 32. Never mind na to. Yung lang malam. Ay! From A to Z! Go! Ay! Nauna sila. L, N, V! Ay! Sila nagbibilang eh. Sabihin lang sa'yo, dalawa. Isa lang. Okay. Okay, ito mo nagbibilang to. 0! Mo nangihina yun. Isa. And 2! Ay! Mahabol pa to. Mahabol. 10, 7, 8! Alright! We have a tie! Ha? Baka masisi ako ng mga yan. Next workshop, we need to maximum range. Sa harapan. So, kati sa bali. Hoy! Okay, ano gusto ko? Mother, sino na? Yung kaliwa yung
Naggagano pa na si...
Hindi po sa kabila. Kanan, yan. Sige po, ito, yan. Parang mataba yung nasa unahan. Alright, pause! Okay! O, tulad po na napag-usapan natin, yung talo po, kailangan po sumayaw sa harap.
Chicky!
Siya pa lang.
Chicky!
Hey!
My name is Cha-Cha! Clap, clap, Cha-Cha!
Okay, chicky, chicky, chicky! Clap, clap, cha-cha-cha! Chicky, chicky, chicky! Clap, clap, cha-cha-cha! My name is Chicky! My name is Cha-Cha! Chicky, Cha-Cha! Chicky, Cha-Cha! Chicky, Cha-Cha! Clap, clap, cha-cha-cha!
My name is Chicky, Chicky, Chicky! My name is Clap, clap, Cha-Cha-Cha! My name is...
O, sabay-sabay mo! Chicky, Cha-Cha! Hey, Chicky, Cha-Cha! Hey, Chicky, Cha-Cha! Para sila kahit sa kanto! Special voice! Happy birthday to you! Come on! Happy birthday! Alright, thank you! So now this time, Leah, before you blow your candle, I want you to close your eyes. Make your wishes. Ready for the blow, Leah? In 3, 2, 1, blow your candle. Everybody clap your hands with Leah! Okay, so this time, kanina po, narinig na po natin magbigay ng
Hindi ako ready pero alam ko hindi mo ako parati nakasama pero gusto ko malaman mo mahal na mahal kita. Ayun lang.
Okay, thank you. So, one more. One more, closer together, guys. Rocky pose. Okay, someone ng video greetings dyan. 2, 3. Wait, good morning kamay na, guys. Yay! Thank you so much. Ayan, anong table? Okay, one more.
And I'm here to help you through it. Come on, Stitch, I know you can do it.
Your confidence gives me
Alright, let's do Rocky. 1. Alright, one more. Okay, let's do Rocky pose, guys. 1, 2, 3, Rocky. Alright, ready? In 3, 2, 1. Alright, one more. Alright, 1. Isa pa po. Now, let's do a Rocky pose, guys. 1, 2, 3, Rocky. One more, let's do a video greetings po. Happy birthday, Leah. Ready? In 3. Wait lang po. Ready? Kuya, pwedeng pa-lower yung music. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait nyo kami na, guys. Wave your hands. Thank you. Next time, last. Sorry, po. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. One more. A lucky pose. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Natalia. Thank you for being the sweetest girl that I know. Thank you dahil lagi mo kami napapasaya. You always smile pag nandyan kami. Pati pag nandyan ka, napapasaya mo kami parate. Wish ko ay sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals mo. And stay that sweet and smart girl. That's all. Happy birthday.
Alright. And 3, 2, 1.
Hi, Leah, baby. Happy birthday. Sana na-enjoy mo tong araw na to and sana happy ka sa party mo. Always remember na love ka ni Mami. Nandito lang ako palagi. Lagi mong tatandaan yung mga bilin ko sa'yo, yung mga pinag-uusapan natin before bedtime. And please, yung request ko sa'yo, wag mong kakalimutan. Yung promise mo sa akin, wag mong papabayaan yung studies mo and tapusin mo yung pag-aaral mo. I love you!
We're not done here. Alright, let's go! Careful kids ha, careful not the bubbles let onto your eyes ha. Ingatan niyo yung mga mata niyo na madalsikan ng bula ng bubbles ha. Uy, no, don't do that one. Ayan na, sige na, open na tayo, kids. Pwede natin papatay yung aircon sa harapan? Kaya? Patay na? One more. Okay, Mommy Ron? Where's Mommy Ron? Is she around? Hi, Mommy Ron. Mom, can you join us over here with Leah? Tapos si Papa Jason naman after pa. So, Mommy Ron? Can you move? One more, Mommy Ron. Last one. Don't pop the bubbles, Leah. Woo! Thank you, Mommy Ron. Thank you, Mommy. Daddy, Jason. Papa Jason. Thank you so much, Mommy Ron. Papa Jason. Ready.
Leah, don't pop it! Just touch me!
Last one, Papa Jason. Thank you so much, Papa Jason. Hey, let's start with the kids. Ate, thank you kung kapasok eh. Okay? Thank you. Next, ate. Ate, let's go. Just wait for your turn. After ate, you will be the next. Thank you. Next. Blow, blow. Thank you. Your turn. Thank you. Next, ate. Oh, kuya, wait lang. Thank you. Wow! Alright, thank you. Next. Dito nandun sila madulas ha. Thank you. Next, ate. Your turn. 2, 3. Smile. Ang ba nag-trick spot to? Thank you, Don. Hurry. Jump. Don't jump pag lalabas ka mamaya, ah. You ask for the assistance of Kuya. Thank you, Gal. I'm just kidding po. 1. Isa pa, Kuya. Isa pa. Naka-poker face. Di siya masaya eh. EK, your turn. Wow. Open your eyes. Open. Isa pa. Open your eyes then blow. 1, 2. Blow. Look at your mommy. Mami, may gina tayo ng mga loot bags and giveaway. Ah, isa pa pag baby. Twice. Thank you. Zia. One more. Thank you so much, guys. And to say thank you to all their friends, classmates, ninang, tito, tita. To say thank you to all of them. Teachers, okay.
Thank you everyone for coming in my 7th birthday.
Alright, Daddy, please do the honor for... Daddy, kailangan po i-describe din po yung gift bago ibigay. Opo, hindi pwedeng ibibigay lang, sir.
Click ka sa Barbie. So, Barbie na ano lang to. Makeup.
Owi mo na si Winnie, Mika.
Lights, camera, action.
Ay, mukhang iPad yan. Kung makakain ng itsura, iPad. Last name, Lia. So, it's a wireless keyboard. Pero pag wireless keyboard, kailangan din may laptop, di ba? O, keyboard. O, girl. Okay, girl muna tayo, girl.
Happy birthday, Leah.
Let's go, Lia.
Happy birthday, Leah. 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 Happy birthday, Leah.
Oh, girls.
Happy birthday, Natalia. Stay Kendra.
Sige, ate. Get